Basic to advanced. Firstly, you can say first of all, initially, to begin with, to start with. First of all, I'd like to say initially, I'd like to say to begin with, I'd like to say to start with, I'd like to say. কোনটা স্মুথ এবং স্মার্ট শোনায় প্লিজ কমেন্ট বিলো already you can say different way manual in the meantime almost manual I have done the work in the meantime he has done the work next you can say different way afterwards after that then last one no problem you can say it's all right it's all good thank you for watching